Hey guys, this is BMXer068. I got messed up on my account, so I had to fix it. So we're going to do a bike check. We got 3 bikes, and I'm going to do those 2, and then he's going to do that one. So here we go. I got a Redline romp. It's a 2012. It's pretty much all stock, except I got a couple stickers on it. That one, that one, that one. Can't really figure out what they say. It's pretty much all stock. It's pretty nice. It's freestyle. It weighs like
27 pounds.
Yeah, 27 pounds. So it's a pretty nice bike. The only thing I don't like is the cranks. It's a cassette hub, so it don't click as loud as I'd like it to. So there's that one.
Like, name the parts on it.
It's all Redline pretty much. I want to take the reflectors off of it though. And then I got this one. It's my race bike. I'll start with the frame. It's a GHP madera frame, GHP pivotal seat, croupy seat clamp, rhythm cranks, Welgo sealed bearing pedals, Tektro brakes, Odyssey brake cable, V grips and metal bar ends. Got a DK stem, bombshell rims and axles, bombshell forks, Kenda tires, FSA headset. So yeah, this is like my baby. It's so cool. And Elvin handlebars. Forgot about that. It weighs 21.3 pounds. So yeah, we're gonna do this one over here now. Okay, start doing your bike.
Okay. It's basically all stock, except the grips. They're Eastern Bike Company grips. They're Watts Coles. And I just changed out the pedals to some random pedals. I don't even know the name to them. They turn purple when you get in the sun, and yeah. But my bike's a 2013 Redline romp, and the tires are Kenda, and yeah, it's decked out in evil bunnies. And I got green brake pads. I had to change brake pads, and they come green. And here's my hub sound.
It's not very loud.
It's louder than yours.
Probably can't even hear that, so.
You gotta come over here, stupid. Hold on.
You come over here and do mine.
Yours is more fail than mine. But I need to get back up anyway.
So yeah, there's our bikes. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, whatever you all do. Thanks. Bye.
Thumbs up.